Hi, welcome back to my video. Before I continue the video, don't forget to subscribe and click the lonceng. Thank you. Whoa, I have wool and I have a lot of ball. Oh my god. Do you know what I want to do? Yeah, I want to enter the ball into the wall. Do you want to help me? Okay, thank you guys. And, but, we have to, gather green with green and red with red and blue with blue. Okay, are you ready? Okay. The first one, I want to enter the green into the wall. Okay, we have to count how much is green. Okay, the first is green, 1. And where is the other green? Yeah, this is green. 1, 2, and yeah, and 3. Yay! We have 3 balls that have the green color. Okay. Oh, we have 3. Okay. And I want to enter the red color. Let's go. Red. Where is red? Yes, this is red. Red. I want to enter you into the wall. 1 red. Where's again? Oh, 2 red. Where is again? This is red. Yeah. 3 red. There is red again. There is. Yeah, this is red. Oh my god, so far. I'm lazy to. This is red. Yeah. How much is red? 1, 2, 3, 4 red. Is it correct? Yes, we have 4 red. Yay! We put here. Okay, let's go. I want to enter the blue color into the wall. We have to find the ball with that have the blue color. Do you want to help me? Okay, thank you. Let's go. Where is the blue color? This is blue, right? Oh, no. Oh my god, I'm wrong. Okay. Where is the blue? Yes, this is blue, guys. Let's go counting the blue color. 1 blue. And yeah. And 2 blue. And oh my god, there is no blue again. Yes, the last color is pink. Hey, I forgot to okay. Gather here, and we have to find the last color that is pink. find the ball pink ball. Yeah. Oh my god. I find 3 balls that have the pink color. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Let's go enter into the wall. 1 pink, 2 pink, and 3 pink. Ooh, it's enough? No, we have to looking for a pink again. Huh? Yeah, I find the pink color here. Whoa! Okay. We have 4 pink. Yes, pink. Yay! 4 pink color and 2 green color and 4 what the color is it? Yeah, this is red color for red color and blue, 2 blue color, but no, oh my god, oh we have 3 green color, guys. Oh my god, thank you for helping me. See you on the next video. Bye.